Hello, everybody. So I'm going to walk you through what to do for a poem if that's what you selected for your reflection activity. And I want you to know you have total freedom to write any type of poem you want. And this can be done digitally. So you can, open a Google Doc and just type a poem. You could do a written poem. You could do a picture poem. You could do really anything. You could write a song and sing it. You could write more of like a story-like poem, which is one big stanza. You have the freedom to do any type of poem you want if you feel really confident in poetry. And if you don't feel as confident, here are some ideas that you could try. So these are just two options for you. Again, you're welcome to do anything you'd like. But this is a poem by Robert Frost called Nothing Gold Can Stay. And what you could do is kind of take that concept of what do you not want? What can you not take into 7th grade with you? So if you think about that, it could be your teachers. Any of your teachers cannot stay with you. It could be maybe not a tangible thing, but like maybe you didn't get the grades you wanted this year, and so you're not going to take that with you into 7th grade. Maybe you want to improve your work habits, and so you're not going to take that with you. Maybe it's a friend who is moving or going to a different school, and so you cannot take them with you. So it's just, nothing gold can stay. Nothing blank can stay. So you'd replace that. And then just kind of exactly what we did in our poetry unit, just tweak it. You can keep some words. You can keep none of the words. You can keep the same tone, same imagery, but kind of manipulate and change some words. So that's one idea for a poem that you could do. And then option 2 is an I am poem. So it says, after a full year of 6th grade, reflect on who you are now. Clearly, you are not the same person that you were, 9 months ago when you first came into 6th grade and you met all your teachers and you were just overwhelmed. And, you guys all, whether you know it or not, grew some confidence this year. You learned a lot about yourself. And you can take some time to reflect on that by doing this poem. So basically, all the bold phrases is going to be your poem. Anything in parentheses is just what you're going to fill in there. So it says, I am. Remember what you just read about creating a powerful creative statement about the unique and different you. So that answers the question, who are you now? How have you grown? So I am unique. That could be all you write. What is something you're curious about? I wonder how 7th grade will be. I hear, now this says it must be imaginary, but you could do something not. You could do, I hear that 7th grade is better than 6th grade or harder or whatever. I see, again, it says imaginary, but you could do something else. That's just, the parentheses are just an idea that you could try. What do you want? And then I am, repeat the same line. So you're going to repeat this I am statement. Okay, so the I am statement is supposed to really reflect in a phrase or in a word, who are you now and how have you grown? I pretend, I feel, I touch, I worry, I cry, I am, and then you repeat the same line. I understand. What do you understand now? I say, what is something you strongly believe in? So that's another option, and you can manipulate that structure also and do whatever you would want with it. Okay? So again, if you are rocking poetry and you just want to do your own thing, you can do that. These are just some ideas to help you out.